In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change school group URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to pick a clean, memorable link for your community. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. This is the quickest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results load, click the correct Skool link. Make sure you're on the legitimate domain and look for the secure padlock in the address bar just to be safe. Next, log in to your account. Use the credentials for the account that manages your community, because only admins or owners can change a group's URL. Once you're signed in, you should land directly inside your community. If you manage more than one community, just confirm you're in the one whose URL you want to update before moving on. From here, click Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon or a settings option in the navigation. This is where all the controls for your group live. When the Settings page opens, you should land on the General tab by default. This tab contains your community's core details and is the place where the URL setting is located. Look for the option to change your URL and click Change URL. Skool will open a field where you can enter a new custom URL path for your group. In the field provided, add the new URL you want. Aim for something short, clear, and easy to remember. Ideally, your brand name or a simple phrase your members will recognize. Avoid using spaces or special characters. Platforms like Skool typically accept letters, numbers, and hyphens. If your first choice is taken, try a simple variation that still reflects your community's name. When you're happy with the new link, click the button to claim or change URL. The label may vary slightly, but it will confirm your choice and apply the update. If you see a confirmation prompt, review the new URL one last time and proceed. The change usually takes effect quickly, but it can take a moment to propagate. After it updates, double-check the new link opens your community correctly. That's it. You've successfully changed your school group URL. As a best practice, share the new link with your members. Update it wherever you've posted the old one, and keep it consistent across your social profiles and email signatures. Keeping the URL concise and aligned with your brand will make it easier for people to find and trust your community.